Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Oneplus 6 with a totally damaged screen, and we can see that the flashlight is still on and we can't really access the flashlight control through the touchscreen because the backlight and the touchscreen is totally damaged from the drop. So the client brought this in totally non-functional, but he's sure that the phone is still vibrating when you turn it on, so that means that the phone is powering on somehow, and we may not be sure that it's powering on normally or it has a boot loop. But here we are disassembling it now, and this is a tricky phone because this is a flagship phone from OnePlus, and the design is mostly the traditional design that you see on modern smartphones. So the backplate is held on by strong adhesives, so we must carefully take it off. So you can use heat gun to melt the adhesives, but to totally take it off safely, you just have to take your time and slowly wedge something in without damaging the electronics inside. So when you pull it out, when you pull the backplate off of the device, you just be careful because there's a wire that's attached to the main assembly. So if you're planning to do it yourself or the DIY approach, you can do this, but we highly recommend that you seek professional help because this one is a very tricky phone to fix because its sophisticated design restricts user access when you want to repair it. So as you can see, the flashlight is still on, and the only way to get it turned off is to take off the back plate and detach the battery. So here we're detaching the battery to turn the flashlight off and to take off the cable that's attached to the main backplate. So the motherboard is covered by this plastic cover, so we have to take it off too. So you have a motherboard at the top, in the middle it's a big battery, and a small motherboard or a board for charging, and speakers at the bottom. So in order for us to gain access to the screen, we have to remove all these components. So before we install the screen, we have to test it first outside of the device. So we can see that it's turning on, no problem whatsoever. It's turning on real. So we're just gonna test if the touchscreen of our replacement is working, and it is. Okay, so we're just gonna turn it off. So in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we have quality parts that we have in stock. So if you're planning to have your OnePlus 6 repaired, you can order from Amazon or eBay, but when you want to have it tested by professionals, installed by professionals, and done by professionals, you may just as well get the professional service overall. So we have a lot of good components for replacements. So even the niche markets of smartphones, we have that in stock. So we're just going to remove the adhesives. This part alone, it's very tricky and very technical, and you might just have to break the entire glass. So you can see here we have a shard of glass that's off of the old screen, and you have to make sure that you install the gaskets and all the components from the old display to the new display. So if you have your OnePlus device, iPhones, other Android smartphones that you want to have fixed, screens replacement or camera glass replacement, just contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. Like and subscribe to this channel, and please give us a call. So this one we're just going to assemble, and here it is. OnePlus 6 ready for delivery. Till next time, guys. Cheers.